Well, the Goa BJP legislature meeting is over and the resolution passed has been that they want Manohar Parrikar as the chief minister. The BJP will now stake claim to form the government in Goa after the legislature got into a huddle and officially declared the defence minister as their chief ministerial candidate. Kamlesh Suthar is joining us live from outside the BJP office in Goa. Kamlesh, now it is clear Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar is heading back to Goa and he is going to be the chief minister, at least the chief minister candidate as far as the BJP is concerned.
Well, indeed, if the BJP wants to form the next government in Goa, the only viable option that is in front of the BJP now is to send back Manohar Parrikar from Delhi and appoint him as the Chief Minister of Goa. See, the chorus demanding Manohar Parrikar as the next Chief Minister is growing by every passing hour as the political activity gets hectic in Goa. One, the MGP that has pledged its support to the BJP says that they will only support the BJP government provided Manohar Parrikar is made the Chief Minister. The Goa front also has that condition that Manohar Parrikar should be made the Chief Minister. The MGP had an alliance with the BJP earlier as well, but the alliance broke when Parrikar was not around in Goa and the MGP had issues with the local BJP leadership here. But they say they are okay if Manohar Parrikar comes back and that will be the only condition. They will be extending that support too. Second, the Goa Forward also has pledged support to the BJP government if Parrikar becomes the CM. And also, BJP MLAs in chorus are saying that if Manohar Parrikar comes back, they will be able to form a government. And also, some senior party leaders say that to keep the flock together, to run a coalition government in Goa is not an easy task, and they need somebody as seasoned as Manohar Parrikar to lead the government.
All right, Kamlesh, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. It seems the BJP may have won the number game in Goa despite Congress getting more seats. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, as Kamlesh was telling us, is all set to return to Goa as the Chief Minister after regional parties said they would support the BJP after Parrikar's homecoming. The BJP will now stake claim to form the government in Goa after legislators got into a huddle and officially declared the Defence Minister as their Chief Ministerial candidate. The decision comes after MGP and GFP told India Today they would back BJP only if Parrikar is nominated as the Chief Ministerial candidate. The development has now caught the Congress on the back foot. Despite bagging 17 seats, 4 seats more than the BJP, the Congress has failed to get regional parties on board, and despite hectic negotiations with the top leadership of these parties, they have not managed to make any breakthrough.
The most sought after man now in Goa, MGP leader Mr. Sudhin Dhawlikar joins me now. His party has the keys to who will form the next government in Goa. Mr. Dhawlikar, what is your party's stand? Who are you going to support?
See, yesterday we got the results of Goa Assembly 2017, and Goa Assembly is in a different stage. 17, 13, 4 independent, then we all together, both the parties, regional parties 6. Considering the equation, I personally feel that the best thing is Manohar Parrikar shall rule the Goa. And if Manohar Parrikar has to come to Goa, he has to resign Union Ministry. Now it is our prime duty to collect everybody and to form a government, because people of Goa decided in that manner. And that is the reason we decided, our party decided, and also we will write to a president of the party of Bharatiya Janata Paksha Delhi, नितिन जी शाह को, कि अमित शाह को, कि हम लोग रेडी है उन लोगों को सपोर्ट देने के लिए. हमारा एक ही only one condition, that Manohar Parrikar shall come to Goa and be a Chief Minister candidate. Then only we will support to National Party BJP.
Are there any other conditions that you want to share in the power? What is that? How are the modalities going to
All
go?
other conditions are eligible at this stage.
Okay.
Let us have first leadership.
Okay.
Let us decide on the leadership. If Bharatiya Janata Paksha जरूरत से ज्यादा जल्दी ये नेतृत्व हमको दे सकते हैं, तो naturally we will be a part in the government.
What about the other parties? You Goa Forward front,
Goa Forward also decided to support Manohar Parrikar ji. I don't know whether they have given the interview, but as per my knowledge, they are supporting, and along with 2 independent candidates and 1 NCP candidate also would like to support to them.
Okay, so generally the question that would be raised that the Congress had come up as a single largest party, but since you are supporting, still you are supporting a party that has got 13 seats, which is very short of majority. Why would you not go with a party that has been naturally got the highest number of seats?
No, it is true that to go to the party where there are highest number of seats. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, they have not decided the leader as on now. It is already 11 o'clock. And to support without deciding a leader, it is me to suggest a leader at this stage in between 7 to 8 big leaders is very difficult. And I don't want have any interference in their leadership because it is already decided by our party, where I am the member of the party, that we shall go with BJP.
Sir, so is it certain now? Are you going to give the letter of support to the BJP anytime soon?
No, unless and until our condition fulfills, we will not give any letter of the support to the BJP.
And the only condition is that Manohar Parrikar should be the chief minister. That's the only condition?
That is the only condition which we have decided, and we will do that.
And even as the GFP has hinted at backing the BJP, the biggest bone of contention for the GFP's Vijay Sardesai against the Congress is Valerio, who is the contender for the Chief Minister's chair from the Congress. India Today's Rohini Swami also spoke to the Congress leader about getting GFP on board. And a MIF Congress leader replied,
if you oppose the chief ministerial candidate, then Vijay Sardesai will not align with the Congress. It seems to be a hurting factor about Mr. losing
I never knew that
Valerio.
you are a power of attorney holder for them.
I'm not. But I'm a media person with a statement, conveying one statement to another and
We will
seeking a
talk to
statement.
them. We will
I'm not
talk to
power of
them.
attorney, but I'm definitely the media
We
person.
will talk to them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
all right, we are slipping into a very short break at this moment. On the other side, after the victory in Punjab, Congress Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh will be holding... Okay, before we head into this break, I'm getting my colleague Rohini Swami live for this story. In fact, Rohini, one thing is very clear, that the Congress, despite winning the highest number of seats, it is not a popular choice as far as the smaller parties are concerned in Goa. To connect with Rohini as of now, as the story emerging from Goa, Congress, despite being the highest, the largest party, in fact, is struggling to cobble up support. And the problem could be the man that they want to be the chief ministerial candidate from the Congress party.
He claims to be from the IIT.